Here at the Glass Centre, every now and then we get visitors, celebrities, film crews, BBC, Channel 4, and we see all sorts of people. And then there's one person that is a pleasure to have in and around the building. And when he comes, there's an atmosphere. He's a wonderful guy. I said to him the other day, can you do a bit of a video for me? And he said, yeah, no problem at all. 10-15 minutes of his time, no problem. And I just said, it'd be great if you could just give us an insight into what you do here, what your time's like here, and how you get on. And he said, yeah, let's do it. So here he is, Will Farmer.
So as amazing as the International Festival of Glass is, and it's a must visit for absolutely everybody, quite interestingly, I spend most of my time sat in the events office typing up an auction catalogue for the finale of the show. But you know what? I'm happy to do that, because what we end up is this final crescendo of 4 days of amazing people with amazing skills, with this fun auction where basically we are selling pieces that have been made throughout the festival, and the long and short of it, whatever money gets raised becomes the foundation point for the next festival. So 4 days spent in a dark office on a very hot day, surrounded by beautiful things, well, that's my life. But you know what, if you come to the festival, please come and see me and tell me what's going on out there, because I'd really like to know. Thanks, guys.